The psychology of motivation, what really drives us. Ever wonder why some days you're super motivated and other days you can't even get out of bed? Let's dive into the psychology behind what keeps us going. Why did the procrastinator open a motivational book? They thought they could motivate themselves. Tomorrow. Intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within, like personal satisfaction, while extrinsic motivation is driven by external rewards, like money. The role of dopamine in motivation. Dopamine plays a key role in the brain's reward system, driving us to seek out pleasurable activities. Goal setting. Specific, measurable goals can help increase motivation by giving you something clear to aim for. The power of habits. Building habits around activities makes them easier to sustain, even when motivation wanes. Self-determination theory. This theory suggests that autonomy, competence, and relatedness are essential for fostering motivation. Motivation and reward systems. The brain responds to rewards, which can help increase motivation when rewards are aligned with our goals. The role of mindset. Having a growth mindset, believing that skills can be developed, can significantly improve motivation. The importance of purpose. People are more motivated when they believe their work or actions serve a higher purpose. Overcoming procrastination. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable pieces can help combat procrastination. Motivation and willpower. Willpower is like a muscle, use it too much, and it gets fatigued. Taking breaks and pacing yourself can help maintain motivation. Social motivation. Being part of a group or having social support can increase motivation by creating accountability. The role of rewards and punishments. Rewards can boost motivation, but too much reliance on external rewards can undermine intrinsic motivation. Motivation fluctuations. Motivation can vary based on factors like stress, sleep, and mental health, so maintaining a balanced lifestyle is crucial. Motivation is influenced by internal and external factors, including brain chemistry, goal setting, and mindset. By understanding the psychology behind it, we can better sustain motivation over time. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.